Alright guys, we got a 2010 Mercedes-Benz C300, the old Benz. Mid-resonator deletes, we'll have the rear mufflers on, stock tips and everything. He said he's going to change the diffuser, and we'll do the rear delete later in different tips. Factory converter there and there comes down, and this is where we started at. We cut it off right there, took out the factory resonators and just straight piped it. Then back out the factory readers right there and right there, and out the back with the stock tips and everything. So we'll let you guys hear it. Remember guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Sound decibels. 113. Yeah, 113 is the peak. Let you guys hear it on the inside. '2010 Mercedes C300. Mid resonators